The key value of ATS is safety, and no one wants to work for an unsafe company, and no one wants to hire an unsafe company. And so if we don't have safety as our core, everything that we do, we're out of business. We realized that a long time ago, and we started putting in systems and processes and functions, to protect every one of us. We've got to be absolutely safe. In our industry, that is extremely important.
For us, we talk about being safe. What does that really mean? You hear people say that, or they hear be safe. Our culture is really about living safety and living safety 24/7. So what live safety means for us is not just avoiding getting hurt at work. It's about being safe at work, being safe at home. It's about looking out for not just yourself, but your family, your friends, your coworkers, your customers, even strangers.
Well-being includes more than just the physical well-being. It includes social, how well you're getting along in the community. It includes the financial well-being, feeling safe and secure, and also emotional well-being, whether it be stress, work-life balance, mental illness, etc.
Because we do notice that if you're not healthy or you're not taking care of yourself, it may prevent you from providing for your family. And we all want to provide for our families, our kids, or your spouse, or whoever it may be. You can't do that if you're not taking care of yourself.
All those things contribute to taking your mind off of your task. There's distractions that then can lead to physical injuries. So we talk about beyond zero. We want not just our employees, but their families to engage in those activities that help resolve any of those types of stresses, anxieties, work-life imbalances that can lead to injuries at the workplace or even at home.
Right now we're at 858 days without a recordable incident, which is great. We're trying to get it as long as we possibly can. One of the main things that we're trying to tell our employees and our techs, try not to get complacent because a hazard can be anywhere around.
It's a never-ending journey. It's something that we're completely focused on. It's what I think about all the time, and it's just something that's in my core. I have had a evolution of thinking about safety and where it goes and how that all works. Unfortunately, you build up your experiences through things that happen to you and happen to others. But I'd say a pivot point for me, a turning point in my life, in my career, happened to me on a Sunday, probably 10 o'clock or so, and I got a call from someone at ATS and said, "Hey, we've had a very serious incident, and you need to get to the hospital." I thought, oh boy, okay. So I jumped in my car and I went down to the hospital, and I started getting the story and the phone on the way down there. And when I get to the emergency room, it's a bad situation. And we had an employee who got caught in a machine and injured significantly, ended up not making it. I've never felt that way in my life. I had feelings that I didn't even know I could have of sadness, responsibility, and everything that went on. And washing over me. And I remember thinking, in business, I have had virtually every situation I've ever had, I've been able to fix. It may take me some time. We may lose some money. We have to really work hard. We do all these things. And it dawned on me, this is the first time probably in my life, I can't go back and fix this. This is done. There's no going back. All I can do is ensure that I have the right systems, the right process, the right investment, the right people in place to ensure this never happens again.
I don't want anyone to get hurt. It shouldn't come to work and get hurt. That's not how the world should work. One of the things I really appreciate about ATS and how we've evolved over time, our people are our business. Our technicians out in the field, all of our folks throughout the company are delivering the service to our customers. keeping those folks safe, that's our top priority.
Just getting to go home to our families at the end of every day, that's kind of what it's really all about. And the fact that we work for ATS and they're so big into safety, it's really kind of comforting that they're always going to be looking out for our best interest.
When the leadership is promoting ways to take care of their employees from the top on down, that means a lot. That means that you're working for a great company. It gives me pleasure every day I walk through the door just to let me know that, hey, we are promoting a good product here. Our company actually cares about their employees. We have great leaders here. So for me, that means a lot.
We have the most robust safety program, leadership, systems, processes that we can have. It's so worth it. I never want to be in that situation again. I never want to be sitting in a waiting area like that. So that's what we do and why we do it and why it's so important.